And today
we're
here.
We're here
in LA.
We're here in
Okay.
K-Town. Okay?
K-Town.
K-Town, okay? K-Town. You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Trino.
And today we're in K-Town and we're gonna check out this chicken spot.
Kyo-chan. Is that how you say it?
Exactly.
We're
You got
done.
it right.
Oh, I
You got
tried
it
it
right.
like 3-4 times, and this, I got it right now.
You got it right.
Kyo-chan fried chicken.
They're known for their fried chicken wings, Korean style.
Oh yeah, that's what I heard. And it's double fried. You know what I'm saying? Who doesn't love, like, I already love fried, but when you double fry it?
Double fried, double the goodness.
All right, so can we go try this out already?
Let's go.
All right,
let's do this. All right, so we're here at Kyo-chan here in Koreatown, and I got the chicken connoisseur here with me.
This guy.
So he's never been to this spot,
Yeah.
and he's never tried the chicken wings here.
So we're gonna give it a try and see what I think about it. But the cool thing I've noticed is if you look at their placemats, it tells you how they cook it. So the first fry is 15 minutes, the second fry is about 2 minutes after, and then 5 minutes later they hand brush all the wings. So they're made with love for sure.
And these are nice looking wings.
It's a drumette, bro.
The drumette,
It's not a flat.
it's still part of the
Percentage.
wing.
But yeah,
But-
so it's pretty dope. They have 4 different flavors. They got the soy, they got the Kyo-chan hot, they have the honey dipped, and then the naked chicks.
And one cool thing about this place is all their wings, all their chickens that they use are not, they don't have hormones or antibiotics.
Ooh, that's like very, very hip right there, man. I'm
Just
down.
to let you guys know.
All right, so I'm gonna go in for which one are you trying first?
So
Or you
Let's
tell me
go.
what you're trying to go for.
let's go with the hot first.
The hot.
All right, so we got 4 different flavors. We got the hot, we got the soy, we got the honey, and we got the naked. And this is the hot right here.
That is a little spicy.
We should have probably ended up with this one, huh? Woo!
That's a nice little kick to it. But crunchy. It's covered in seasoning. That hot sauce is great.
I really like how they cooked it though.
That double fry makes a difference.
Oh yeah. So
I had a kick. I don't care what this guy says. 10 minutes later, he's gonna be like, "Ooh, that was really hot."
we're gonna have Trinell try this hot spider sauce. Stay tuned. Stay
I don't even
tuned.
know why I brought that up. Wrong video. So we got the soy right here.
Oh, we're doing the soy now, huh?
This one's pretty good.
It's not like the B-Dub wings. B-Dub wings are like huge, right?
Which
you
I
guys
hate.
have been to Buffalo Wild Wings, and because they're so used, they're like kind of rubbery. These are good size. This is how
It's like a real
wings-
chicken.
Yeah, right?
It's like not like the chicken just got out of the gym and we just killed them and cooked them. But this right here is what yeah. Nice bite to it.
Because of that, it still stays moist.
I'm telling you, that double fry makes a big difference. All right, I'm going for the honey.
I don't know if you can see this on camera, but like, it has a real nice honey glaze right there.
Oh yeah, it's like all shiny and.
That's good.
If they took this and put it on top of waffles, chicken and waffles with the honey, ooh,
This would be good with chicken
it would be
waffle.
good with chicken and waffles.
You know what this is good with too? Some rice. And they do serve rice here, just to let you know.
We got the rice police here today.
That's the party starter. That's what Sony says. So
I think that's my
crunchy.
favorite one.
Yeah, this is definitely my favorite one. One of the things I like about this place is they're, you know, like some wing places you go to, they're like overpriced. They'll give you like 6 wings for like $10. Here it's like the regular size is like 12 wings and it's $12.
Yeah, it's really, really affordable. You know what I mean? And if you want to get the different flavors, here's a tip. You can get 2 of the regular orders, but they come in pairs of 2. So you can get the honey and the naked by itself, then you get the soy and the hot as well. So split them up.
Whatever flavor you like.
I would say you try them all. You know what I mean? If you haven't been here before, kind of like us, or at least me, try them all, and that way you can figure out which one's your favorite. And then
This is really a good place. Like, if you got a party, and you need to order like a bunch of wings. this is the place I would go to.
Just a shout out to Sonny. Sonny likes some naked, so that way you could put your own sauce on there. I happen to take the red, Kyochon red and try it. And he's trying the
honey mustard. That's money right there. I love this place. This place is so good.
Yeah, man. I think this place is it's up there. I like it. Yeah, it's a cool, nice little spot. I would say if I had to put them all in order, that honey I think goes first for me. Then probably the Kyochon hot, and then naked, and then soy.
I think I like the honey, and then the naked. Then after that, I think I like the soy.
Yeah.
Yeah. The naked I like just because you can dip anything with it.
Right.
Yeah, but that honey is just crack.
Yeah, it really is. I'm telling you, if they were to somehow one day make a waffle to just put with the honey, it'd just go hand in hand.
Fire, right?
Or wing and wing, not hand in hand, right?
So how would you rate this from other chicken spots this year?
I think this one, they're both kind of, I don't know. I think the one in Arizona so far was,
Really?
yeah.
Yeah?
Sorry you couldn't make that trip, man, but,
I
because you don't know what I'm talking about, but.
I have no idea.
Yeah, that one's up there.
I think I'm gonna watch that video right there so you can check it out too. And I'm gonna drive me to Arizona and check it out. But anyway, thanks for joining us here today. If you guys know of any other cool spots you want us to check out, let us know in the comments below.
Yep.
Also, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can watch more videos just like this one.
Yes, sir, and share this with your family and friends, cuz.
They'll love it.
Catch you on the next one.
Peace.
I did it.